Hello, everybody. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how they figure out what the finance charge is for your credit card. Um, finance charge is a percent that you are charged by your credit card company for unpaid balances. So this is essentially you paying interest because you didn't pay off your credit card. Unpaid balance is the part of your balance that you didn't pay off that month. And to find the new balance, you take the old balance and subtract payments and add in new charges. And that will get you your new balance. Okay. So go ahead and pause if you need to. So you can get those down. And I am going to go on to the assignment, which is problems 1 through 11. You have to do all of them. And we're going to talk about how to do these. So I'm going to do number 1 and number 5 with you. And number 8 and 9. You're definitely going to want a calculator for this, so make sure that you have one. Okay, so this was before, you owed $105. So remember, a balance now is not money you have, it's money you owe. You owe $105.20. And it looks like you didn't pay anything at all. And your finance rate, your finance charge, is 1.25%, which is like 1.25%. And to figure out that quarter is 0.25, you could take 1 divided by 4 on your calculator. If I make this into a decimal, it'd be 0.0125 if I move that decimal place twice. So to figure out the unpaid balance, we just take the last balance and subtract any payments. And we don't have any payments, so we still have to pay this. And then your finance charge is this amount times this. So since I didn't pay back, since I still owed $105.20, I'm going to take $105.20 times 0.0125, and that is how much I should be charged for my finance charge, $1.32. So they're charging me $1.32 for my unpaid balance. And now my new balance is my unpaid balance minus the payments plus the new charges. And actually, I think I'm going to go back to this and right here. Not only do you add in the new charges, but you also add in if you had like a finance charge, which I guess is a new charge. So to find my new balance, again, that was right there if you want to pause. So my new balance, I'm going to take 105.2, that was my old balance. And then I'm going to subtract payments, which there was nothing. You don't actually have to write minus 0 on your calculator. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. And then I'm going to add in any new charges. So I charged to my credit card another $42.06. So now I owe that too. And then I also owe my finance charge, which is $1.32. And if I add all that up, I get $148.58. Okay. I'm going to move on to number 5. So for number 5, I used to owe, this is how much I used to owe, $109.03. But then I paid off $780 of it. That's pretty good. All right, so if I take 902.03 and I subtract that payment of $780, I get 122.03. So I still owe $122.03. All right, my finance rate is 1.75% because 3/4 is 0.75. And if I write that as a decimal, it'd be 0.0175. So to find my finance charge, I'm going to take my unpaid balance and multiply by that. Which is $2.14, it looks like. Remember, you look at that number after the 13, and if it's 5 or higher, you round up. So $2.14. Okay, now to find my new balance, I'm going to do just exactly what my note sheet tells me to do. So I'm going to take the old balance, which was, or the unpaid balance, I guess that's better. Instead of old balance, let's change this word to unpaid balance. Okay. I'm changing that to unpaid balance. So I'm taking my unpaid balance, which is 122.03, and I am going to subtract my payments. Oh, I see. It was actually 902.03, so I guess my old balance thing was fine. All right, I'm going to take it back again. I'm so sorry. I'm sure that you're hating me for this. And let me explain why in just a second. This is old. Because your unpaid balance is both of these things together already. That was my bad. So you take the old balance and you subtract the payments. Okay,